Welcome back to the nature documentary. You see over here we've got the kittens and they're just wonderful like specimens. What is this over here? Wait, follow me. Oh my, we've got the rare beetle. Wow, I've only seen one before. And it was viciously attacked by a ginger snap. You better be careful, beetle. This is the ginger snap's area. And, oh my goodness, look over there. It's a ginger snap. Beetle, be careful. If you see the ginger snap, be very careful because it looks like it is not harmful, but it will eat your brain. Now, Beetle, you don't know what you're getting into. Everybody watch out. This could be bad. Oh, ginger snap is attacking. Oh, Beetle, you don't stand a chance. You do not stand a chance, Beetle. Oh, this is horrible. This is horrible. Back to the kitchen with the kittens. Back to the cute scene with the kids. Oh, the people back home don't need to see that. No, the ginger snap's going too. I'm going.
Yeah, eat him. Another kittens, kittens are good.
Yeah, kittens are good.
Hey, what do you think about that? I think that's horrific. Yeah, that's what it... Uh-oh. Uh-oh.